Hello everyone. Thank you for being at our demo entitled Remote Experimentation with Open-Access Full-Duplex Wireless in the COSMOS Testbed. We have recently integrated two custom full-duplex radios into the COSMOS Testbed Sandbox 2. These radios are openly and remotely accessible to researchers, and we provide example experiments which we will demonstrate today. On this slide, we show the integrated full-duplex hardware along with the topology of COSMOS Sandbox 2. In particular, we demo three experiments. The first is the node-level performance of a single radio. The second is an OFDM full-duplex link. And the third is the packet reception ratio of an OFDM full-duplex link. These experiments show the performance of the radios and can be used as a baseline for further experimentation. The graphical user interface of the third experiment is shown on the bottom right. Thank you very much.